Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the oil and the oil filter in a Volkswagen T5. This is a 1.9 liter TDI version. The drain plug is located on the oil pan and it's an M10 in this situation. The oil filter is located right here on the top part of the car, and you can open it with a 32mm. We are putting some oil on the seal. And we can put it back. So it's there, it stays good, it has oil in it. We can put this on, and we're gonna put some oil on this too. There is a little seal here, as you can see. Now we can put this back. You're gonna put 5.8 liter of oil. And that was it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.